Hey dolls, it's Sebastian. Today I'm going to be doing a little video on eyebrows and how to get that perfect natural full brow that everyone wants. So we're going to be using the Anastasia Brow Wiz. So first we're going to take the spoolie and we are going to brush the hairs that you do have upward. Then going to twist the product and we're just going to line the brows right along the hairline. And this is what I tell my clients at work. So just follow the hairline, because you don't want to go too far out, because have you ever seen those girls and you can just see the product right on the skin? Don't want that. As I always say, why do you want to look like you have makeup on? So then you just simply follow that shape. Sorry, I have a little bit of a cold, so I'm all stuffed up and I sound crazy. But just simply fill it in naturally. Keep it in the hairline and just do simple little strokes so they look like hairs. Just do simple little strokes. Then we're going to take our spoolie. We're just going to brush up, brush down, and this just blends the product so it doesn't look heavy. And that's how you get a fabulous brow. So again, you're just going to follow the line, stay right along the hairline, around the arch if you have an arch. I like to have more of a square brow. Some people like more of a round brow. Just kind of more your preference. I've always just kind of had a really strong, sharp shape to my brow, so I've always just kind of kept it. But you just simply fill it in just like this. It's super easy, super quick. If you're off and you're just running around, running errands, you can just simply do this brow with a light tinted moisturizer and she'll just look absolutely fabulous. So again, we're just going to take our spoolie and we're going to brush up, brush down, and you have your brow. Some people like to line it with concealer. I'm not really into that because that makes it really sharp and super dramatic. But if you're going out or if you're just someone who likes that really sharp kind of look, then that's perfect for you. But this is the Natural Brow by Sebastian. So I hope you enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram, Sebastian_King88, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.